Here we are in the jungle jumperoo, and our clever little fella has figured out how to spin the frog with the rattle in it. Let's see you spin it. Can you spin it? Can you spin it? There you go. Good job. A little bit harder. There you go. You got it. You got it. Good job, little one. Good job, buddy. You're making the frog make noises, eh? Good work.